I'll start by going over what makes a good VPN in China. Since China has a seriously restrictive firewall, you'll want to make sure that you follow all of these tricks to make sure that your ISP or internet service provider can't spy on your data or detect what you're doing with your VPN. Make sure that your VPN uses a quality security protocol. Look for WireGuard or OpenVPN at the very least, but some VPNs, like the surprise top pick on my list, use in-house protocols that are a step up in speed and security. Use a kill switch so that if you accidentally lose connection to your VPN, your connection is cut off entirely to protect your data. Speaking of data protection, a good no logs policy is necessary, and keep an eye out for a RAM-only server, which automatically purges your data occasionally. Arguably, the most important feature for using a VPN in China is obfuscated servers, which let you bypass restrictive firewalls in the first place. It essentially tricks your internet service provider, or ISP, into thinking that you're not using a VPN. Astrill VPN, which is known for its specialization in bypassing the Great Firewall. When I tested it out, I was able to reliably access major platforms like Google, Facebook, and even YouTube in just a few seconds. It contains servers in 5 key regions, which are the US, Japan, Hong Kong, Taiwan, and Singapore, with consistently working Chinese servers as well. As a side note, the Hong Kong servers often result in a faster connection, so if you're having any issues, then definitely give that a shot, which is another huge advantage. Frankly, there's a lot to like about Astrill VPN, but there is one notable drawback that I might as well get out of the way. Despite its many strengths, it is worth noting that Astrill VPN does retain certain data such as connection time and IP addresses, although it assures its users that it deletes all of its data upon disconnecting. Still, this is less than ideal for some users, so something that I wanted to make you aware of. With that out of the way, I'll start with its speed. Astrill VPN is also really fast. While it might not claim the top spot in terms of speed, it is far from sluggish, even on its Chinese servers. I personally only experienced a moderate decrease in speed and was able to consistently stream content from YouTube in full HD. But for those seeking to make their connection even faster, Astrill's supercharged feature is a server option that is definitely worth exploring. When it comes to security, Astrill VPN does not skimp out. Their features include leak protection, an automatic kill switch, and robust AES 256-bit encryption across all protocols. For those weighing speed against security, customization is possible with OpenVPN's encryption options. Located in Seychelles, Astrill VPN benefits from being outside of any intrusive jurisdiction. What makes it work in China is the StealthVPN and open web protocols that it offers. These act as digital cloaks, ensuring that online activity remains inconspicuous. These obfuscated servers make it so that you're practically indistinguishable from a non-VPN user. Again, you can check out Astrill VPN using the link down in the description to get the best deal available. And in terms of cost, Astrill VPN leans towards the pricier side, but it makes up for it with its high quality features. You should be aware of the website's inaccessibility within China, but you can obtain a mere URL by reaching out to Astrill's email support. One noticeable absence is their refund policy. However, Astrill VPN offers a referral program, granting both parties a free month of service if you get a referral. If we helped you find a new VPN in today's video, then drop a like on this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring that bell to stay up to date on future uploads and all of the latest info on cybersecurity software, tips, and tricks. Remember that it is super important to take your online privacy seriously, and until next time, take care.